Humankind has long been fascinated by the potential to transcend its limitations. For millennia, we have sought ways to enhance our physical and cognitive abilities, from ancient practices of physical training to modern advancements in medicine and technology. Today, we stand at the threshold of altering our very being through genetic modification. This technology holds the potential to reshape our bodies, minds, and the essence of humanity. The implications are profound, promising to alleviate suffering and improve health. However, this promise comes with ethical dilemmas and societal challenges. We must proceed with caution, understanding both benefits and risks. Our choices today will impact future generations. It is our responsibility to engage in thoughtful dialogue about genetic modification, ensuring this technology benefits humanity and preserves our future. To comprehend genetic modification, we must first delve into the intricate mechanisms that govern life itself, our genes. Imagine a vast library filled with countless volumes of information. This library is our DNA. DNA, or deoxyribonucleic acid, carries our genetic information. Composed of A, T, C, and G, it forms the blueprint of life. Genetic modification involves altering the sequence, like editing a book. This technology can correct genetic defects and introduce new traits. Imagine a future where genetic diseases are eradicated before birth. These possibilities are now within the realm of scientific plausibility. The potential benefits of genetic modification for human enhancement are vast and alluring. Imagine a world where human potential is unleashed to its fullest, unhindered by the limitations of our current biology. Genetic enhancements could lead to increased muscle mass and endurance, enhanced cognitive abilities, improved immune systems, and even extended lifespans. Athletes could shatter world records, scientists could make groundbreaking discoveries, and artists could push the boundaries of creativity. The human lifespan, once considered finite and fixed, could be extended, allowing individuals to live longer, healthier, and more fulfilling lives. Such prospects ignite the imagination and fuel our deepest aspirations for progress and self-improvement. However, this tantalizing promise is interwoven with profound risks and ethical dilemmas. Tampering with the human germline, the genetic information passed down from generation to generation, raises the specter of unintended consequences that could reverberate through countless future generations. Moreover, the pursuit of genetic enhancement could exacerbate existing social inequalities, creating a divide between the genetically enhanced and the unenhanced. Access to such transformative technologies could be unequally distributed, favoring the wealthy and privileged while leaving the less fortunate behind. This could lead to a stratified society, further entrenching existing power structures and exacerbating social injustice. Section 4. Ethical Crossroads, Navigating Uncharted Territory. The ethical implications of genetic modification for human enhancement are profound and multifaceted. Critics argue that such interventions constitute playing God, tampering with the sanctity of life and crossing a moral Rubicon. They warn of the potential for unforeseen consequences both for individuals and for the human species as a whole. The pursuit of genetic perfection could lead to a devaluation of human diversity, eroding our appreciation for the unique qualities and imperfections that make each individual special. The very essence of what it means to be human, with all its complexities and contradictions, could be irrevocably altered. Furthermore, the quest for genetic enhancement raises concerns about consent, particularly when it comes to germline modifications that would affect future generations. Do we have the right to make such profound decisions on behalf of those who have yet to be born? And who gets to decide which traits are desirable and which are not? The ethical dilemmas surrounding genetic enhancement are complex and multifaceted with no easy answers. Navigating this uncharted territory will require careful consideration, open dialogue, and a commitment to ethical principles that prioritize the well-being of both present and future generations. Section 5. Shaping the Future, a Shared Responsibility. The future of genetic modification for human enhancement is not predetermined but rather a canvas upon which our choices will paint the coming era. As we stand at this crossroads, it is imperative that we proceed with caution, guided by a deep sense of responsibility and a commitment to the common good. International cooperation and robust regulations will be essential to prevent the misuse of this powerful technology. We must establish clear ethical guidelines and regulatory frameworks that prioritize safety, equity, and the preservation of human dignity. Public engagement and education are paramount. We must foster informed dialogue about the potential benefits and risks of genetic modification, ensuring that all voices are heard and that decisions are made democratically with the participation of all stakeholders. Ultimately, the question is not whether we should pursue genetic modification for human enhancement, but how we can harness its power responsibly and ethically. The choices we make today will shape the future of humanity for generations to come. It is our shared responsibility to ensure that this powerful technology is used to create a more just, equitable, and flourishing world for all.